Presenting the 2007 Chrysler Aspen Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are steering wheel audio controls, rear AC, traction control, power door locks, driver vanity mirror, passenger airbag, rear head airbag, and AM/FM stereo. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.